Myself, Dr. Ansari Tahira Tasneem from JT Senior College in Economics Department. Today, my topic is unemployment. Poverty, unemployment, illiteracy. These are the burning problems in India. Let us introduce what is unemployment. Unemployment is a main problem in all underdeveloped countries. The term unemployment is a situation in which no job is available for a person to earn means of livelihood. Unemployment is found in both agriculture and in industrial sector, that is in primary or in secondary sector. In India, many factors are responsible for unemployment. What is the meaning of this unemployment? One who is not gainfully employed in any productive activity is called unemployed. It is a situation where an able-bodied person in an age group of 15 to 39 willing to work are unable to get job opportunities. It is known as involuntary unemployment. What is the definition of this unemployment? According to Gillin and Gillin, unemployment is a condition in which a person able and willing to work normally, dependent upon his earning to provide the securities of life for himself and family, in unable to obtain gainful employment. Let us discuss about the types of unemployment. Number one is structural unemployment. Basically, India's unemployment is structural in nature because of lack of productive capacity. The rate of growth of population is more than new productive jobs. The absolute number of unemployment person is rising from year to year. Second is disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment is that many workers are engaged in productive work, but their marginal productivity is zero or near zero. India is an agrarian country where most of the unemployment exists in this form. People are found to be apparently engaged in agricultural works, but such unemployment is mostly work sharing device. If many workers are withdrawn from their works, the same work will be continued. So, the productivity of this extra worker is zero or near zero. Third type is cyclical unemployment. Due to the cyclical unemployment is caused by trade or business cycles of ups and down in the business. It results from the profits and losses in the business and deficiency in demand. As a result, there is depression, which causes the unemployment and generally affects all industries to a great extent. तेज़ा और मंदा ये दो सूरतें बिजनेस की हैं. इस वजह से मंदे में अक्सर कारोबार बंद हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से साइक्लिकल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जो है वो पॉसिबल होता है. नंबर 4 इज सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन, seasonal unemployment occurs in certain seasons of the year. It is basically associated with the agriculture because Indian agriculture depends upon nature. In a certain period of time, there is heavy work, while in the rest of the year, there is no work in the off season. Thus, seasonal unemployment is largely viable or visible after the end of agricultural work. 5th type is underemployment. Underemployment usually refers to self-employed people. They are not working according to their capacity. For example, a diploma holder in engineering start any business may be said to the underemployed. He is not working to his full capacity. This type of unemployment is mostly found in urban areas. Most educated people work in a roadway for their earning of livelihood. 6th type of unemployment is open unemployment. That is open. Open unemployment is a condition in which people have no work to do. They are able to work and also willing to work, but there is no work. Most of the people comes from villages in search of job opportunity. Such unemployment can be seen and counted in terms of number of such persons. Hence, it is called open unemployment. Number 7 is voluntary unemployment. Voluntary unemployment occurs when a working person willingly not work. वो नहीं चाहता कि वो काम करे. This type of unemployment may be caused number of reasons. For example, one may quarrel with employer, then resign their work. Absentee workers and strikes. In voluntary unemployment, a person is out of job of his own desire. Either he wants higher wages and does not want to work. अगर वो ज़्यादा पेमेंट चाहता है और अगर उसका एम्प्लॉई अगर ज़्यादा उसको पेमेंट ना दे तो वो काम छोड़कर बैठ जाए. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वॉलंटरी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. इनवॉलंटरी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. नंबर 8. Involuntary unemployment occurs when at a particular time the number of worker is more than the number of job. Government is unable to provide job opportunities to the large number of population because there is an increase in the population growth than that of the increase in job opportunities. Number 9 is casual unemployment. When a person is unemployed on the wages, less wages. Casual unemployment may occur due to short term contracts, shortage of raw material, fall in demand, change of the ownership from one person to the another person. So there is a casual unemployment. Next, number 10 is chronic unemployment because of the rapid growth of population and inadequate level of economic development on account of vicious circle of poverty are the main cause for the chronic unemployment. Then frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment is caused due to improper adjustment between supply of labor and demand for labor. Also due to immobility of labor, lack of correct information, seasonal nature of work to be done, that is the frictional unemployment. The next and the main for you is it thanks a lot for me to listening the types of unemployment.